Okay guys, so the pot is bubbling. Yes, she a bubble up, she a bubble up. Eh? Yes guys. Guys, welcome back to another video. Today you'll be joining me in the kitchen. Yes, so today you're in Shana's kitchen. So I will be preparing some pumpkin soup today. So I'll be showing you my ingredients. So these are what I will be using in my soup. Yes. And I have my meat over here. It's already washed and clean. So now I'm just going to cut up my ground provisions and I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay guys, so now I'm cutting up my carrots. Now we're going to wash off the pumpkin and then cut it up. put my pot on the fire. Okay guys, so the pot is on the fire, so I'm going to wait until the water is hot, then I'm going to throw in my pumpkin. So my pot is hot, the water is boiling, so I'm going to toss in my pumpkin. Okay, so the pumpkin is in. I'm gonna let that cook a little, then I'm going to add my chicken to that. Okay guys, so we're going to add the chicken to the water. So we had the chicken to the water. So we're going to leave that and let it cook down a bit. The pot is bubbling, yes. Chia bubble up, eh. Yes guys, so the next step will be to add in my yam and my sweet potato. I'm going to peel my sweet potato and my yam and add it to the pot. Yes guys, so I'm going to add my sweet potato in now. I'm going to stir the pot. The color is coming on. Yes, so I'm going to now add my yam. I'm adding in my yam now. Okay guys, so I added my cock soup, my Maggi sweet pepper, Maggi all-purpose, scallion, thyme, and pepper off video. So now I'm going to throw in my carrot, chocho, and Irish. I'm going to stir it around. See, my soup is getting thick. I don't want it too watery and not too thick, so it's getting there. Hey guys, so this is the finished dish. So we have come to the end of this video. So please remember to spam up the comment section. Let me know if you prepare your pumpkin soup like I do, or if you do it differently. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.